Good morning, good people of God. Today, I just want to come in and say, have a beautiful, blessed 2022. Because whatever state of mind that we brought the new year in will be our picture for what we painted for this year. It's about our heart space, how pure it is, our intentions behind our motives. Are they pure? Are they genuine? Are they authentic? Are they because you really want to help someone and not because of you're getting the validation and the accolades of other people for helping people? See, your heart space has to come genuinely pure, and it has to be what God intended for you to do for someone or for something. We a lot of people does things with motives behind it. Their intentions aren't pure and it's not right. So in this year, make it a habit for your intentions to be pure so that God can respond to your heart, whatever it may be. Let him respond to your heart because God looks at the heart. Man looks at the outer appearance. And as I continue to be in my secret place with the Lord, he downloads so much to me. And I feel like that if it helps encourage me and it gives me a hope for my future, then I will want to share what God is instilling in me so that it can give the next person hope. It's not about me because God gets all the glory. It's about what he tells me and how he moves through me. And I want to see no one perish just like he doesn't. So I try to help my family. I try to help whoever I can with the words that he give me to maybe it'll click on a light because he said we are the light of the world, a light on a hill that cannot be hidden. He said, what do you use a light for? You don't just put it on the stand, put a cover on it. It don't illuminate anything. We are the light to light up the darkness because the darkness cannot comprehend it. And on today, I just encourage you to ask God to clean out your heart from whatever is hidden that you thought you may have gotten rid of. Because sometimes somebody's name can come across and you get a little feel in the back. That's something still in your heart. Ask God to clean it. Because this year, we asking him to get rid of everything that we thought we got rid of, but yet it's still attached to us. Have a blessed day.